What's the deal, ladies and gents? It's your boy back with another video, and today will be part 2 of the I Got the Hook Up. Holla if you hear me. And the hook we'll be talking about today is the title hook. Before I get into anything, I need you guys to like the video, subscribe, and comment. I put in a lot of work to make these videos and to keep them coming, and all I ask is you guys is to please interact with the content. That's it. Let's get into it. The title hook. What is a title hook? It's self-explanatory. It's a hook where the most repeated thing in the hook will be the title. This type of hook helps to drive the point of the topic or the title home. Repeating the title in the hook will drill the topic or the title into the listener's head. Songs that come off the top of my mind with title hooks would be Make No Sense by Young Boy. Made no sense, it made no sense, it made no. Mask On by Future, mask on, fucking mask off, mask on. You're taking a title, phrase, word, name, whatever the title of your song is, and you're finding a way to make that catchy. 9 times out of 10, when I'm mumbling and scatting, trying to find flows and melodies, I'll think of a topic or I'll think of a title, and that usually kickstarts the whole song writing process. The number one thing you want to do, of course, is find the title of your song, okay? And I say the title of my song will be Broken Dreams. And so when I get into the example, basically what I'm going to be doing is taking Broken Dreams and trying to figure out a way that I can fit that into the beat. And then after I do that, I'll grab a rhythm, I'll find a rhythm that I like, and then I'll start fleshing out the hook, but also using the title in order to drive the whole hook. Without any further ado, let's get into the example. I picked the Juice WRLD beat, and the title of it is called Farewell. You can find it on YouTube. And remember, my title is Broken Dreams, so just bear with me. I'm gonna mumble till I figure out something, okay? Broken dreams on the Now I'm getting tired of these broken dreams. I got an homicide from these broken dreams. Dreams of suicide from these broken dreams. Look into my mind and I don't know what it means. Things up on my mind from these broken dreams. Think of homicide on these broken dreams. It's a lot of suicide from these broken dreams. Looking inside, I don't know what it means. Okay, let me find another one. Broken dreams, broken dreams, broken dream, broken dream, on the all my others on the thinking about these broken dreams, all my thinking about these broken dreams, something's on the thinking about these broken dreams, on the thinking about these broken dreams, broken dream, all right, I'm gonna find another one. Broken dream, broken dream, broken dreams. And I'm tired of these broken dreams. Don't know what it means when I pull up on the scene. Infrared beam, I got broken dreams. You know what I mean when I pull up on the scene. Broken dreams. It don't make sense, but all this is freestyling. You see how I'm just trying to figure out ways to fit in the title of Broken Dreams, right? Basically, just what I was doing was finding different rhythms, different flows that I could fit that word into, and then fleshing out a melody or some type of flow that I could make into the hook. Now the thing is, another important thing is, don't get me wrong, every line does not have to repeat the title. To be honest, go back on what I said. The title doesn't even have to be repeated more than once. But the thing is, the title needs to be put in a place to where the listener knows this is the title. A big songwriting tool that people use is they'll create a hook and then they'll put the title at the end and make it like this is the catchphrase of the song. When you do those types of hooks where you're going through it and then you put the title at the end, that's what they call catchphrase hooks. And another thing about that is if you want to help your title hooks become more catchy, always sing the title. Sing the title. And a person who does this on, I'd say 75% of their songs is Drake. And it's the reason why he's so successful. And he has songs you always want to come back to. Think about, I'm on one, fuck it, I'm on one. The best I ever had, the best I ever had. I need a one dance. Sing that title, and that'll also make your song more memorable. And that's all I got for today's video, man. I thank y'all for watching, and peace!